No, no, he shouldn't. You should get out of the seat.
When it rains here in New York, it sucks. I don't know what is going on, the drainage. I mean, look at this. God forbid if someone slips and falls in this, you'd have to amputate your whole skin. It's horrible. Whenever it rains, it's bad.
It is super frustrating. Like, people just want to go home. These are not the conditions that New Yorkers deserve to be traveling in.
Bag flooding here in Nanuet. We have a BMW that's underwater.
Oh, wow. Oh my God, he's floating.